What are you doing right there? Hawk. Hawk. What you doing right there? You around here looking for something? Did you find what you wanted? Did you find what you wanted today? Hey. I could just about touch him. I'm probably about 12 feet, 10, 12 feet from him. What is it? You didn't come get my squirrel, did you? You didn't get Lockjaw, did you? I think Lockjaw might have run off. You didn't get Fatso, did you? So fat. Can I walk a little bit closer? I'm gonna walk right up here. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. I'm coming a little bit closer now, and I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. I could just about touch you. I'm probably about 8 feet from him now, 8 or 10 feet. I could just about touch him. Oh, he's having a good time in that wind up there. Oh, ain't you up there flying around? You looking for something out here? You looking for something? What you wanted? What you wanted? Don't come over here and grab my head now like it's a popcorn. What? I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you, Hawkbird. What is it? Alright, I'm gonna walk back over here. I'm walking back over here now. I'm going back over here. I'm back over here now. Alright, stop this video.